Hello, boys and girls. Today, along with our bugs theme, we're going to talk about bees. Bees is going to be our project. So first, I want to tell you a few facts about them. We have the bumblebee and the honeybee. They're the same kind of a family with a little bit more of the fur. See how their legs are? Their bodies are a little bit bigger. And then we have the hornet, which is part of the wasp family, with the yellow jacket. They have a skinnier body, as you can tell. And the bumblebees, their job is really to watch over the hive and to get pollen and nectar from the flowers, to give us honey. The women, the queen bees, they lay eggs and then they watch over their hives. Now the wasps, they don't have as much hair, as you can tell over here, and they like to eat other insects. That's not that great. And they're a little aggressive, which means that they're a little bit meaner than the bumblebees. You don't want to bother a wasp or a hornet. So those are a few facts about them. Over here we have a picture of what a bumblebee looks like. You can see their wings over here. You can see where we have their body, which is right over here, boys and girls. See their body with the black stripes? You can see where their legs are. And you can tell where their eyes and their antennas are. And this is a fun part of their body. Right here is their pollen basket. That's where the bee stores all the pollen and nectar that they get from the flowers. It's very interesting right here. So now that we know a few facts about bumblebees and wasps, we're going to go and make our bumblebee. So your parents will print out a nice bumblebee just like this, and you'll get ready to color it. You can use a marker, or you can use crayons. You could even use colored pencils. I'm going to take a marker and I'm going to color my bumblebee. So remember, when it's a smaller area, we use shorter strokes. And when there's a bigger area, see like this, you can use a longer, bigger strokes. And then go around the corner. Making it all yellow right there. We have the black lines that are already there for you. I'm going to go ahead and color his head yellow also. Now remember, you can use a gold color too. It's in the same family of yellow. And take your time coloring it. I've been so proud of all of you guys. You guys are doing so good in all your projects. You're taking time. Color around it. Color around the eyes. Just like that. And then I'm going to take a little red marker and kind of color where his mouth is and go right there. Color those little lines there. And I'm going to take a black marker. Again, if you have a crayon or colored pencil, that's fine. And color in his antennas. I'm going to leave his wings clear because they don't really have a big color on their wings. Now I'm going to get ready to get our scissors. Remember how we hold our scissors? Thumb up to heaven. We go open and close, and then it's like we're driving a car when we move them. So get your helping hand ready and go open, close. Keep going just like that. Keep going. Have that helping hand holding your paper, that helping hand. Turn it with your helping hand, not with the scissor. Turn it with your helping hand. Let's go over the wings. Just keep following that black line that you have there on the paper. Now I'm going to go around the antennas. They might be a little trickier because they're smaller. That's all right. Just get a little bit closer with your helping hand. Go around it. Just like that. So here you have your bumblebee ready. And now we have to make the headband that it's going to go on. So I already cut 2 long strips. So you need to do the same thing. Cut 2 long strips. And I'm going to tape them together. You can also staple them together. And then I'm going to put my bumblebee right on there. Now you could use glue if you want, or you could use tape again. I'm going to try the glue. Remember, we need to use a good amount so it sticks, but only on the body and the head part. You don't need to put as much on the wings because those are going to hang out. Remember how we always like count to 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it stays on. And then now I'm going to measure my head so I can put it as my, cut a little bit of this. Measure it one more time. Okay, I think that's a good size. I'm going to use my tape for that. Again, you could use a stapler and you can use the glue stick. You just need to use a lot of it. And then we have our special bumblebee done. All right, and I hope you enjoy it. Remember to send me some pictures with your bumblebee. Bye-bye, I miss you.